Hey guys, it's Vikeejeah, and I am here to do a brief, simple hair tutorial. This is my first ever, so bear with me, you guys. I'm gonna see if I can actually do this thing, and if I can, then I will do more if you like it. So here we go. I recently had my hair braided. I'll show some pictures of that right now. I had my hair braided by my cousin. She's adorable. She's like 14. She's learning how to braid. So I was like, you can braid my hair. That's fine. I needed a protective style anyway. And I have with me a leftover bag of hair. This is the Kinky Twist braiding hair. I believe it's $5 a bag. And I have a bag and a half actually, but since this one is complete, I figured I would do a brief bun tutorial. Show you guys what to do with like leftover hair on a day off where you just want to put your hair up, but you want a little drama. So there it is. To get my hair up into the ponytail, that is going to be the foundation for the bun, I have my Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. I have my trusty water bottle with distilled water in it. I have a little ORS olive oil edge control, and then my tools. Ouchless scrunchies I like to use too for extra support. And I have two brushes with me that need to be cleaned. Did you have any Christmas? Girl, tried it. Yeah. Okay. When was the last time? Okay. I have my, this is not a Denman brush, but it is very similar to it. Okay. A couple of coils I had to pop out of there. So boom. A little Denman-esque. Little imitation Denman. And a bristle brush. And it's curved, which I love, so I get at the edges. So anywho, that's just for like polishing the look, and this is for a little bit of control as well. So what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to talk through it as I do it, because this part should be really quick. So I'm going to wet my hair. This is just a Bantu knot out. Just going to get it damp. I'm not going to soak it. I'm going to gather my hair as high as I want this bun to ultimately be. So I like to pull on my roots just to, like, you know, bring everything up, you know. There we go. And then I'm going to gather my hair right where I want it to go. Okay. Now you can most certainly detangle your hair. I detangled mine last night. I don't want to do it too much, so I'm doing this for the sake of the tutorial. I'm not going anywhere. Okay, so as you can see, I'm placing this pretty high, right? I'm going to go in with my Denman. I'm just going to call it that, you guys. I got this sucker at Sally's for like less than 10 bucks. All right, and then I'm going to take my elastics, it's not a very pretty attempt, but you know what? It's been work today. Tell you that. Okay, so there it is. There's my current bun, and I'm going to pin this hair around this hair. It's going to, you know, this is going to act as a foundation for building volume, and you know, somewhere for me to stick the pants. So here it is for now, and I am going to slick the edges. Ooh, a full curl fell out. I'm going to slick the edges and the back with the edge control once I'm finished. Actually, wouldn't it make more sense to do it now? So I'm just going to apply a little bit more spray. I already conditioned my hair. That's why I didn't put it in. I did that already. I didn't want to add too much product. And take a little bit of edge control, like that much, and this is going to do my entire head. It's going to warm it up in my hands and just pat it around. If you need to use more, use more. It's all good. I'm going to use a touch more in the back. And you can use any edge control you want. It doesn't have to be organic root stimulator. There's, I think most brands make them now. I think even Shea Moisture makes an edge control. Any natural hair care brand of your choice. As I Am makes a really great one. I used that before I picked this one up. I just picked this one up because it was what was at my local CVS. Okay. So I'm just slicking my edges. I like to kind of curve it a little. And you could leave baby hair out if you want, ladies. However you want to do it. You can use Eco Styler if that's what you're into. You can use flaxseed gel. You can use gorilla snot. I have it. If this look is looking a little crazy tomorrow, I'm certainly going to put some in. So, here we go. Got everything gathered up top. And now I'm going to grab a couple of bobby pins. Okay, so and then we're going to get started. I have with me some pins, some bobby pins. I'm going to take the hair out of the package. I'll let you guys see the texture up close. Okay. So it comes like this with the tag that was on there. Okay. Let me get it. There we go. It comes just like this with a rubber band in the middle to secure it. You can leave that on. It's helpful. I'm going to leave it on. And I'm going to wrap it around my ponytail. I mean, my bun, my top knot, whatever you want to call this thing. So, there it is. Now, I look so funny. Now, if you want, you can like fluff it out, you know, like get it kind of texturized. For me, for the sake of this tutorial, I am not going to do that. I'm simply going to wrap it around my existing bun. I'm just trying to give myself a little more volume. So as you go around your hair, you're going to pin it in place. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to try to do this by adding as few pins as possible. Just enough to secure things. And don't worry about it being perfect. For the sake of this tutorial, I mean, for the sake of this look, it doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, we've got that pretty secure. Just gonna wrap it around one more time on this side. And there we go. Yeah. And I'm going to come around the other way, the opposite way, with the rest of this. And this is where you get creative, ladies. If you said to yourself after you looked at yourself in the mirror, "Oh, girl, I kind of like this," leave it. You can. For me, though, I'm looking for a very specific look. You can beehive it. I want to get it a little messy in the front. So I'm going to twist. Let's twist this around. And you can just play with this and decide how you want it to look, ladies. I'm digging this. And so I think I used about 3 pins so far. This makes 4. I'm gonna add one more in there just to make sure everything is cool. I have 5. I have one more sitting here after this one, so you know that's not bad. And all of that stuff that I had, like all the weirdness that I had from brushing my edges up, it's totally covered by the bun. So just for GP, I'm gonna put this last one in just because I have to. You don't have to do this. I'm just pinning it in because I can. Actually, I don't like it in there. It's kind of like depuffing my bun in that corner. I'm gonna stretch it out a little, and I'm gonna flatten the top and tuck it in the back. Boop. Look at that. And this hair is still intact, y'all. You could take this down and use it for braiding still. So we're all done. We do it like 4 round. Hey, where's she at? Hey, hey, hey. So that's it. That was what? I'm looking at the time on my video. That's less than well, I did a little bit of talking in the beginning, so I want to say this is like 10-minute hairstyle. 10 minutes for the hair. And if you watch my previous video, which is the makeup tutorial for everyday makeup, 15 minutes. You can be out of the house in less than an hour and you are beat and snatched. How about it? So this is a really cute, like everyday cute look, you know, everyday pretty, if you will. Boston Naturals, shout out to you. I'm gonna hashtag Boston Naturals in this video. And I hope you enjoyed this quick toot. Once again, let's go over the tools, because these tools should be in every naturalista's arsenal already. You should not have to go out and buy more things. We got a faux Denman, or a real one if you know, got it. And a fine, like a refining brush of some sort. It doesn't have to be this one. It could be the boar bristle. It can be, you know, any Sally's Beauty Supply brush that looks similar to this with the bristles, like the full, like, I don't even want to say these are that hard, but you know, medium hardness kind of bristles. Little water bottle, edge control, leave-in condition just to keep your hair moisturized, and some elastics, ouchless scrunchies. In fact, you can use goodies or whatever's available to you, and then just a pack of, you know, Kanekalon. Twisting, Kinky Twist brand braiding hair. You leave it right like as it is out the package and just, you know, do as you will. Let your imagination run wild. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, thumbs it up, comment, let me know if you would like to see more hair tutorials, if you would like for me not to talk during the video and just do it. However you'd like for me to do this, just let me know. I am open to suggestions, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.